was a commotion. I thought they were children chasing each other because there were babies running all over. Therefore, I had to ask that they are, what is happening? People shouted it is Osoro. And then I asked people, do you want chaos in this function? People responded, they did not want to see chaos. At that juncture, there was shots all over. I'm told a number of those shots were actually the guy who has been hit on his, I think, left ear. It was aimed at me. Therefore, people, they had to take cover, all of us, because there was a lot of shooting. I'm told there are many people who have been maimed. There are people in hospital as I'm talking. The motive behind the shooting, because Osoro, Silvanus, had not even come into the meeting where we were. He just arrived. I'm told he pulled out the gun, started shooting. I want to really ask myself, are we in a law-abiding country where law must be followed, even for the civilian handlers of guns? How can it happen? How is it possible that a member of parliament, you can alight from your vehicle with goons, and again, all licensed civilians? They don't carry around a G3, I mean the AK-47, which they were carrying.